Welcome to our exploration of the Book of Psalms, specifically Psalms 9 through 12. These chapters reflect themes of divine justice, human suffering, and unwavering faith. Let's start with Psalm 9, a passionate thanksgiving to God. Let's start with Psalm 9, a passionate thanksgiving to God. It opens with praise, as the psalmist commits to recounting his marvelous deeds. God's triumph over enemies and his eternal reign are celebrated. Verse 9 emphasizes God as a refuge in times of trouble, serving as a beacon of hope for those who seek him. It reassures believers of divine protection and guidance during difficult moments. Moving to Psalm 10, we encounter a cry for justice. The psalmist questions why God appears distant amidst evil deeds. This raw expression of anguish highlights deep trust in divine intervention, seeking God's response to human wickedness. In Psalm 11, the theme shifts to trust in the Lord. Despite the temptation of despair, the psalmist reaffirms his faith. This chapter reflects on God's observation from his holy temple and discusses the testing of the righteous. The assurance is clear: the Lord loves justice and will ultimately deliver the upright. Lastly, Psalm 12 conveys a plea for help against deceitful speech and falsehoods that plague society. It begins with a cry for salvation, as faithful individuals dwindle. The psalmist critiques the arrogance of those using flattering lips and double hearts. Confidence is placed in God's pure words, likened to silver refined in a furnace. The chapter concludes with an appeal for divine protection in a world of exalted wickedness. Psalm 9 to 12 take us on a journey through praise, lament, faith, and a search for truth. They challenge us to stay firm in our beliefs, to seek out justice, and to rely on God's enduring promises. This glimpse into the Psalms reminds us of the raw and beautiful dialogue between humanity and the divine. Thank you for joining us on this biblical exploration. May these ancient words inspire your heart and renew your faith.
From Doodle Divine, aspiring to make the Bible more alive. Be blessed.